You know that feeling when you decide, this is it, starting now. You grab a blank planner, you map out this whole upgraded version of your week, and for a little while, it feels completely doable. Then, a few days pass, and somehow you are right back where you started. Sound familiar? Here is what almost everyone misunderstands about this. It is not a discipline problem, it is not a motivation problem, it is a blueprint problem. Most people design plans for a person who does not exist. They imagine someone who never sleeps through their alarm, never skips the gym, never doom scrolls at midnight, never snaps at the people they love, or loses focus halfway through the day. Nobody lives like that. Not you, not anyone you have ever admired. It is the equivalent of planning a road trip and only packing for sunshine. The second a storm hits, you have nothing. And here is the thing nobody tells you. Your systems need to survive your worst days, not just your best ones. So ask yourself honestly, would your routine hold up if you were running on no sleep, completely overwhelmed, blindsided by something you did not see coming? If you have to hesitate before answering, what you built is not a system. It is a fantasy you are performing, not one you are actually living. So what actually works? You shrink it down. Smaller than your instincts will tell you to. Choose something so small that not doing it would feel weirder than doing it. Maybe that is drinking a glass of water the second you wake up. Maybe it is writing down one thing you are grateful for. Maybe it is just stretching for 30 seconds before you check your phone. It sounds almost too easy to matter. That is exactly why it works. Because you are not just crossing something off a list, you are teaching yourself something deeper. I do what I say I am going to do. Every time you follow through on that tiny thing, you are quietly repairing trust with yourself. You are collecting proof, real proof, that you are somebody who follows through. And that proof is where actual confidence comes from, not motivation, not hype. Once that one small habit feels automatic, as natural as brushing your teeth, that is when you add the next layer. Not a total life overhaul, just one more brick. Slow is not a compromise here. Slow is the whole strategy. And before adding anything new to your life, run it through a single question. Is this actually taking me somewhere? Does it reflect who I am trying to become? If it is just noise or an item to check off, drop it without guilt. When your habits are honest, small, and repeatable, the change sneaks up on you. But eventually you notice you are not dreading your mornings anymore. You are not arguing with yourself before you even get out of bed. The routine just happens. You are not gritting your teeth through it. You are not forcing your way forward. It carries you, and you simply move with it. People around you start to pick up on something, even if they could not explain what changed. You come across as calmer, more settled, more intentional. Your surroundings feel more in order, your mind feels clearer, and the way you carry yourself shifts, because underneath it, something real got built. This was never about reinventing yourself overnight. It is about getting honest with the person you already are. So skip the color-coded morning routines from the internet. Skip the 30-day transformation challenges. Pick one small thing you can actually do today and commit to it fully. That is genuinely where all of it starts.